So we're about to take off on the Petit Train du Nord bicycle trail. It's this 200-kilometer trail north of Montreal that follows the route of the trains of a train that used to connect all these rural communities here. The trail is 200 kilometers long. It goes from Mont-Laurier to Saint-Jérôme, and it's a lot of fun. It's very picturesque, especially the first half of it. Afterwards, after Mont Tremblant, it gets a little crowded, but at the beginning you're pretty much the only person. Usually you're the only person on the trail, and so it's quite pleasant, nice and quiet, and nice views. Behind me you can see the one of the train stations, the terminal station here, and there's a bunch of them along the way at the various stops. So it's a great excursion, and hopefully the weather holds up nicely. So this is one of the rest areas along the trail. Notice it's the shape of a train car, of a caboose. So that's pretty cool because it stays with the spirit of the Petit Train, of the small train of the north. So here we are at the Saint-Jérôme train station. This is the end of the Petit Train du Nord, and it's over. 200 clicks, lots of fun, great weather, wonderful adventure. Looking forward to the next one.